Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to combine two lists in the R programming language. So in the video I'm going to show you two examples, and both of these examples rely on the example data that we can create in lines 2 and 4 of the code. So if you run line 2 of the code, you will see that a new data object appears here at the top right. And we can also have a look at this data. And as you can see here at the bottom in the RStudio console, the first list is a simple list with 3 elements, A, B, and C. And with line 4 of the code, we can create the second list. Again, you can see that it's appearing at the top right after running this code. And if you run line 5 of the code, you will see that another list was created, which has 2 list elements, X and Y. Now, if we want to combine these 2 lists together, we can use the C function, as you can see in line 8 of the code. So if you run this code, you will see that a new list appears at the top right of RStudio, which is called list12. And by running line 9 of the code, you will see how the new list looks like. And as you can see, the new list, list12, is simply a combination of our 2 input lists, list1 and list2, because the new list contains all the elements of list1 as well as all the elements of list2. Yeah, so that's the first example I wanted to show you. However, based on your specific situation, you might prefer the option of example 2. And in example 2, I'm showing you another alternative for the combination of 2 lists based on the append function. And the append function can be applied, as you can see here in line 12 of the code. So within the function, you simply need to specify the 2 lists that you want to combine. And if you run this code, you can see that the output is exactly the same as before. Our 2 input lists, list1 and list2, were combined into one single list. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to show you in this video. However, if you want to learn more about the combination of 2 lists in the R programming language, then you could have a look at my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial on the combination of lists in R. And in this tutorial, I'm explaining the R code of this video in more detail. So if you want, you could check out the tutorial on my homepage. I will put a link to this tutorial in the description of the video. Furthermore, of course, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more R tutorials in future. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.